To restore your Exodus wallet on mobile, start by opening the Exodus app on your device. If you have previously installed Exodus, uninstall and then reinstall the app to begin the restoration process. Once the app is open, you will be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Choose the Restore option and then select the type of wallet you want to restore. In this case, Exodus. You will then be asked to enter your 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order, with each word separated by a space. This phrase is typically written down and stored in a secure location when you first create your Exodus wallet. Enter your recovery phrase carefully, making sure to double-check each word for accuracy. If you enter the phrase incorrectly, you will not be able to restore your wallet. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it in a secure location. Once you have created your new password, your Exodus wallet will be restored, and you will be able to access your funds and start using your wallet again. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure to protect your wallet and funds from unauthorized access. As a best practice, consider storing your recovery phrase in a safe or a secure location, such as a fireproof box or a safe deposit box at a bank. You should also consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily restore your Exodus wallet on mobile and start using it again. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and funds by storing your recovery phrase and password safely and securely.